What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today I'm going to be unboxing this package right here that I received at my P.O. box, and apparently there's something inside more valuable than the precious metals. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. For every friend you refer to the app by the end of the month, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares. And if you refer 3 people by the end of the month, you're going to get a free share of Apple. Everything will be linked in the description. Alright, so in today's video, we have something to open up. We have something that came all the way from Puerto Rico. I had to go and grab this package. This is actually my 5th video of the day, and when I finish this one up, I'm going to be filming a 6th video for the day. So thank God I had my G Fuel. Unfortunately, I ran out, but if anybody wants $5 off their first purchase of G Fuel, it's an energy formula, sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with vitamins, and they got like 50 different flavors to choose from. Link in the description if you want $5 off. All right, so this is coming from Lewis, from Puerto Rico, sent all the way to New Jersey. Lewis, first and foremost, thank you very much for sending this my way. I'm not exactly sure what's inside, so let's just dive right in. What we're gonna do is a quick and easy little boom. And check that out, it's already opened up. I didn't look inside, I just opened it up before I started filming just to make this a little bit easier. So let's take a look. Good for an unboxing video. I'll be honest, I read this. This was right on top, and it's a letter from Lewis. I'm not going to read it out loud, just because I came to realize that when people send letters to my P.O. box, there's probably a reason that they didn't leave the message in a public comment section. This is probably just person to person, so I'll leave it that way. But it does say one thing. It says, I am sending this time something more valuable than the precious metals. That's one line of the letter. So Lewis, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Now let's take a look inside. I cut it open just to make sure this wasn't going to be a difficult task. Whoa, what do we have here? We got some, looks like we got some Puerto Rican candy. Let's go. All right. These look like, I don't know if they're watermelon flavored or what. I'm not exactly sure. That's awesome. Lollipops though. And then of course we have this right here. And there's something else below the candy, by the way. This looks really good. Lewis, I appreciate the candy. Thank you very much. A snack variety pack, I should call it. Appreciate it, Lewis. Thank you very much. Now, what's inside this box that is more valuable than the precious metals? Check this out. Look at that right there. Silver, everything you need to know to buy and sell today. Wow. And underneath it, the same thing but gold. Everything you need to know to buy and sell gold today. And these are the 2nd editions, and looks like they're coming from APMEX. That's awesome. Lewis, thank you very much for sending these my way. I didn't know exactly what was going to be in here, so I'm gonna see if I can open up one of these, or maybe I'll open up both for the video. 1 second. I just wanted to also point out that these right here, these are not outdated, by the way. You can tell just by looking at the cover. I know they say don't judge a book by its cover. I judge books by the cover. This right here, you know what's on the cover of this? The Type 2 Silver Eagle, which means this right here is either from this year or last year. Let's see, does it have a year on it? Let's see, 2022. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. 2022 Whitman Publishing. Awesome. Okay, so these are brand new. Lewis, once again, thank you very much for sending these my way. I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. I don't know how much luck I'm gonna have. I might need to set down the camera for a moment. Yep. Okay. What do we have here? Wow. You know, I'm gonna be honest. When I said don't judge a book by its cover, I wasn't even 100% sure it was a book. I just meant it as a metaphor or an analogy or whatever. Wow, check that out right there. Everything you need to know to buy and sell today. If anybody's interested in these, according to the packaging, they're from Atmex. I don't know how much they cost. I don't really know much about them at all. But if anybody wants them, apparently they're on Atmex. Okay, so we're not going to obviously go through the entire book here, but what's inside in the table of contents, we have Chapter 1, Silver, what is it and why is it valuable? Chapter 2, Silver in recent decades. Chapter 3, Buying silver. Chapter 4, Selling silver. Chapter 5, Deal with experts. Chapter 6, Avoiding counterfeit and altered silver coins. Chapter 7, Quick answers to frequently asked questions. Chapter 8, Glossary of silver-related terms. Chapter 9, More resources. All right, wow. Oh, what do you know? JP Morgan, first page I turned to. Wow, look at that right there. Wow. So for those of you who have been paying close attention to my videos as of lately, you'll know that I'm becoming more and more interested in silver bars. So this is a pretty interesting page right here. That's actually really cool. What kind of silver should I buy? Man, this is the book. This is the go-to. See, here's the thing. If you can't read, just watch my videos. If you can't hear, check this book out. That's awesome. Hey, you know what? I'm pretty sure I've used this image for one of my thumbnails one time. It's actually really cool. Lewis, once again, thank you very much for sending this my way. I'm gonna deep dive more into that book because I'm sure there's plenty in there that I do not know. Now let's also take a quick look at the gold version. I'm gonna set this back down for just one moment. And we'll see. Let's see what we got going on over here. Looks about the same. Chapter 1, Gold, what is it and why is it valuable? Chapter 2, The recent gold boom. Okay, I'm really looking forward to that chapter. Chapter 3, Selling your gold. 4, Buying gold. 5, Deal with experts. 6, Avoiding counterfeit and altered gold coins. 7, Quick answers to frequently asked questions. 8, Glossary of gold related terms. 9, More resources. Awesome. I'm really looking forward to, oh man, say it ain't so, my favorite gold coin of all time, the gold buffalo. Man, I gotta close this book before I get too excited over here. Lewis, thank you very much for sending both of these books and the Puerto Rican candy, by the way, and the snack variety pack. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I'm grateful, thankful, and appreciative of that, and I'm looking forward to trying those out, and I'm looking forward to reading those books. And I'll also say that part of the letter says that if I already have the books, I can use the books as giveaways. I do not have the books, but I feel a little strange giving away a gift. But when I'm done with them, if anybody's interested, maybe I could do a giveaway? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. We got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs, and a bunch of different designs, many of which are helping us raise some funds and awareness for different charity organizations, by the way. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club, which is where I do giveaways every single month, live streams every single week, deal alerts on silver and gold almost every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and there are a ton of other perks as well. I guarantee you it's worth it. And of course, last but certainly not least, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. You can deposit as little as you'd like, even as little as a penny, and it still works, it still counts. You still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. For every friend you refer to the app, by the end of the month, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares per referral, up to 10. So you refer 10 people, you can get all the way up to 1,000 free fractional shares of some of the most rock solid companies in the world, by the way. Ford, Coca-Cola, the list goes on. And of course, if you refer just 3 people, just click that little invite button and send it to 3 people that you know. Webull's going to give you a guaranteed free share of Apple. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. You only have until the end of this month. Webull link in the description. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free, then just sell them. Congratulations. Now you have the cash to go and get you some silver, maybe even some gold if that's what you want. Webull link in the description. Oh, and also, if anybody wants $5 off their first purchase of G Fuel Energy Formula, sugar-free, low-calorie, packed with vitamins, 50 different flavors to choose from, the link to that will also be in the description for $5 off. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. What are your thoughts on knowledge? What are your thoughts on data and information and numbers and statistics and just increasing your financial IQ? Would you consider that to be more valuable than the silver and gold? Lewis would, and I absolutely would. What you know is most important. What you have comes second. So head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace! And thank you, Lewis, once again.